Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
You are going to love the 2024 XT6. The Cadillac XT6 crossover maintains the luxury you expect from a Cadillac with the additional functionality that third-row seating provides. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, security system, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
9 convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.